It's going to take a while, Mum. So
I know, I'll put pause on it.
warming it up gently. Don't want to blister your hands too soon. Kind of just warm it up. More. More. Perfect. You've got time. I'm going to get it as big as possible. You know, clematis is it burns out very quickly. Thank you. Now we can relax.
Oh.
Because as soon as it takes into the fungus, it's pretty much secure. We can relax. While it was on the ember that I produced from here, it's very fragile and friable and will fall apart. Now it's very safe. We can get another one.
Looks like charcoal.
Yeah. They can kind of do their thing for a minute when I prepare the rest of the fire.